There's the gym. There's building E. Building A. Here's the sign. And there's the posters. Here's special education buildings. There are now some truck trailers right there. And there's the student parking. It looks kind of like farmland. And they just tore down an old part of the building. And I noticed why they put a trailer, a mobile home on the property. And there's the track and football. Did you know there's a playground over at Bartlett High School? So yeah, this is Bartlett High School, and here's some more renovations going on. Here we go. And there's the back of the building. So yeah, Bartlett, it's time. Here's the field and the track. There's the track and field. And there's the school bus school bus lot.